In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a file to another folder in Google Drive. It's a quick and simple way to organize your files just the way you like. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to input your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see all your existing files and folders organized on your main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and any other files you've saved. Now, locate the file you wish to copy. This could be a document, an image, or any other file type that you store in Drive. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files and need to find it quickly. Once you have found the file, right-click on it to open a context menu. This menu gives you several options, and you'll want to select the option that says Make a Copy. Choose this, and Google Drive will create a duplicate of your selected file, which will appear next to the original in your Drive. The next step is to move this duplicate file to another folder. To do this, click on the copied file to select it. Then, right-click and choose the option Move To. This will prompt a window to pop up, showing the file hierarchy of your Google Drive. In this window, you can see all your folders. Navigate through these folders and select the one where you want to store your copied file. If you don't have a particular folder in mind, you can use this opportunity to create a new one by clicking the New Folder button, usually located at the bottom of this window. Name the folder appropriately to help keep your drive organized. Once you've highlighted your chosen destination folder, go ahead and click the Move button. This action will place the duplicate file into the designated folder. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully copied a file and moved it into another folder within Google Drive. Keeping your files organized can save you time and make your workflow more efficient, especially when dealing with multiple projects. Remember, this process doesn't affect your original file, so you can always go back to the untouched version if needed. As a tip, consider periodically reviewing your Drive content to ensure everything is structured in a way that benefits your productivity. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to copy a file to another folder in Google Drive. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this. See you next time.